Intro music upbeat and adventurous. Narrator. Are you ready to explore some of the most amazing places near China? Buckle up because I'm about to take you on a whirlwind tour of the best travel tips for an unforgettable adventure. Music continues upbeat. Narrator. First up, let's talk destinations. If you're in China and looking for a quick escape, Taiwan is a must-visit. From Taipei's vibrant night markets to the stunning Taroko Gorge, Taiwan offers a mix of city buzz and natural wonder. Make sure to try the bubble tea at its birthplace. It's next level. Music transition. Narrator. Next we have South Korea. Just a short flight away, Seoul is a hub of culture, technology, and delicious food. Don't miss the chance to visit Gyeongbokgung Palace and take a stroll along the Han River. And hey, if you're a K-pop fan, this is your paradise. Music transition. Narrator. Looking for something a bit more tropical? Head over to the Philippines. With its pristine beaches and crystal clear waters, it's perfect for island hopping. Palawan and Boracay are top picks, but honestly you can't go wrong. And the people? Incredibly friendly. Music transition. Narrator. For those craving a cultural immersion, Vietnam is just around the corner. Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City are bustling with life, but don't miss out on Ha Long Bay's breathtaking landscapes. And the street food? Pho and banh mi will blow your mind. Music transition. Narrator. Now let's talk travel tips to make your journey smooth. First, always have a local SIM card. Connectivity is key, whether for navigation or staying in touch. Music transition. Narrator. Second, learn a few basic phrases in the local language. A simple hello or thank you goes a long way in making connections and showing respect. Music transition. Narrator. And don't forget to try public transportation. It's not only budget-friendly but also gives you a real feel of the local life. Whether it's the MRT in Taiwan or the BTS in Bangkok, it's an experience in itself. Music transition. Narrator. Lastly, pack light but smart. Bring versatile clothing, a good pair of walking shoes, and always have a portable charger. Trust me, your phone is your best travel buddy. Music transition. Narrator. So there you have it. Some of the best spots and tips for traveling near China. Remember, the world is full of wonders just waiting to be explored. Happy travels. Outro music, upbeat and conclusive.